This segment of the news is brought to you by Great Basin College. A pioneer in distance education, your success is their tradition. Now offering over 25 degree and certificate programs in Pahrump and online.
And welcome back. CEO of Desert View Hospital, Susan Davila, invites the public to a meeting to assess the medical needs of our residents.
So what's coming up here at Desert View Hospital is every 3 years, it's a requirement for critical access hospitals, which that is our status here in Pahrump for the Desert View Hospital. We have to do what they call a community health assessment needs. And what that is that we want to go out and we want to hear from the public, our patients, our community, on what they feel we need for health needs in Pahrump.
And so the community is invited to this event to kind of give their opinions, things that they would like to see here?
Absolutely. So we will have an open forum, I believe it is March 23rd. We'll get that all out. And it will be held right here in our lobby. And they'll start by explaining everything. And what do I mean by that? John Packham from the School of Medicine and Office of Rural Health, him and his team have done this throughout the rurals in the state of Nevada, and he will be here with his team and he will explain kind of the process. So the process is to get everybody here to find out how we're going to handle this, and most of it's going to be online surveys or mail-out surveys, and that's the information we need back from our public, because that's going to be really, really important, because that's the feedback. And then John and his team will go back and put it all together, and then once that's all finalized, then they'll come back out and we'll have another open meeting for the public, and we'll share with them what the results of the surveys are and what our community feels that they would like to see for health needs.
So things that you've seen that maybe you want them to continue, maybe some items that you're thinking that they're lacking or that maybe we need here at Desert View Hospital, or even getting some information about the expansion in the possible future or what you would like to see happen?
That's correct. I mean, it's like programs that maybe we don't provide now, that maybe it's not really Desert View, but it's a level of the state that we need to bring in. You know, and talk about, by that time, we'll kind of look at things and say, okay, we feel that right now our expansion should be, you know, observation beds or whatever it might be. And so, yeah, it's a time that we want to hear from the community, and we feel that we owe it to our community too to hear from us on kind of our plans and our future of the hospital.
So the public's invited March 23rd, what time?
It will be held at 6 o'clock on March 23rd here in our lobby.
And Marion Maxfield spoke to our camera recently about the Relay for Life Mask Out Cancer Kickoff party held at the Pahrump Nugget.
We had one of our biggest fundraisers so far at the Nugget last Tuesday night, February 28th. It was called Mask Out Cancer, and it was also the kickoff for the 2017 Relay for Life, which is going to be October 7th. And we had this big event at the Nugget. They were so generous to us. They set up the whole room for us and let us have it for free. And the volunteers, oh my gosh, we had such great volunteers, and the committee members set up everything for us. We donated all the food, and it was just wonderful. We raised over $500 at the Mask Out Cancer fundraiser last Tuesday.
Even Michael Brown was there.
Downtown Michael Brown, one of our biggest celebrities here in Pahrump, he was there, and he did a little talk on melanoma and cancer prevention. And he was great, and we just appreciated him so much for coming. And he said, anytime Relay needs him, just give him a call. I've got his number.
We got your number, Michael. So tell me how people can get involved in the Relay for Life.
Oh, it's so easy. We're all over town. If you recognize any of us, just ask us. Also, you can go online, relayforlife.org/PaHrumpNV, or you can call me at 775-722-1898, and then we can get you registered. You can go online and register. It's free to register. You don't have to pay anything. You can join a team or make your own team, or you don't even have to join a team. Just sign up so we know you're coming, and if you want to volunteer at the event, we welcome you with open arms. We can't do this without our volunteers.
You can even donate.
Or donate. There you go.
When is the relay?
The relay is October 7th this year. We moved it down to the fall, and it's going to be noon to midnight. We're going to have a free survivor lunch in the Bob Rood for all our survivors. Our survivors are so important to us, along with the caregivers. So we haven't set the exact time for the lunch, if it's going to be before or after the opening ceremonies, because our survivors do their first lap. So we want our survivors out there all steady and well fed to do the lap for us.
And many Nevada school children will take part in organized events that promote walking or bicycling to school during Nevada Moves Week, which is held today, March 13th through Friday, March 17th. Many walking and bicycling to school events are planned for various counties across the state. Children not taking part in organized school events are encouraged to involve their families in safely walking or bicycling to school during Nevada Moves Week and throughout the year. Whether for Nevada Moves events are part of a daily routine, physical activity at an early age, such as walking or bicycling, helps reduce heart disease, diabetes, and other obesity-related illnesses. Motorists, as always, are asked to watch out for pedestrians and bicyclists during this event and every day. Well, it's almost St. Patrick's Day, which is this Friday. We have a tip from Patti Diamond and Divas on a Dime.
Hi, I'm Patti from divasonadime.com, where frugal meets fabulous. And today I'm going to share with you a recipe for homemade Irish cream. And it's so good and so easy, you will never buy the expensive store-bought stuff again. Here's what you need. Whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, Irish whiskey, chocolate syrup, coffee crystals, vanilla, and almond flavorings. 1 cup whipping cream. 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk. 1 2/3 cups Irish whiskey. Yay! 1 teaspoon instant coffee. 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon almond extract. Blend this all together for about 20 seconds. And 20 seconds. Look at that! Now you have to taste it. That is so good already. And it can sit for a couple of days, so they tell me, and improve, but I've never had it last that long. Store this in a very clean glass bottle with a tight-fitting lid. Keep it in the refrigerator, shake it up before you serve it, and it should last as long or longer than the date on the whipped cream. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Patti with divasonadime.com. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And I want to give a shout out to Diva Karen for inspiring this wonderful recipe. Cheers to you, Karen. Bye.
Thanks so much, Patti. You give a whole new meaning to St. Patty. Well, we'll have your weather when we return.